Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here helping you on question number 13. The wording's a little tricky, so that's why I chose to create a screencast for it. It reads, Caleb's bookcase holds 16 nonfiction books and 12 fiction books. Each shelf holds the same number of books and contains only one type of book. Each shelf holds the greatest number of books possible. How many shelves does the bookcase have? And I'm going to highlight that. How many shelves? All right, now most of you are doing all right identifying the fact that we need to find the GCF of the two numbers in the problem, which in this case are 16 and 12. I don't think you need help with prime factorization, but just in case you do, here's the prime factorization for 16, and here's the prime factorization for 12. If we were going to find the GCF of 16 and 12, we would circle our matches, write them where the Venn diagram overlaps. We have another match here with the 2's. And then put that in. We multiply these two numbers, and that's the GCF. Now what you have to ask yourself, notice by the way that that's a choice. Well, you have to ask yourself, for what? Well, that's for, it says each shelf holds the greatest number of books possible. That's 4 books per shelf. Is that what they want? Let's look. How many shelves does the bookcase have? See, that's not the answer. That's 4 books. We need to know the shelf number. So we have to proceed. 4 times what would give us this number 16, which is going to be the nonfiction bookshelves? And that answer would be 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times what would be 12, which would be the fiction bookshelf number? And that would, of course, be 3. And all you need to do to finish this problem up is to just simply add these two numbers together. And that will be your answer. Now, the one thing I am going to recommend that you check is if you add up 16 plus 12, make sure that's the same thing you get, because this, of course, would be 28. Make sure that's the same thing you get when you add these two numbers together and multiply it by 4. And if it doesn't match for some reason, then you want to go back and take another look. All right, so again, this question's a little bit wordy. Make sure you're giving them the number of shelves, not the number of books. Good luck finishing this up.